Okay, so now we're going to move on to question 5. And this is just getting you to used to the properties of logarithms. You're allowed a note card, so make sure and copy down the log properties onto a note card if you can't remember them. So this one we want to write as a single logarithm. So this is going to be the product property, which just says if you have logarithms that are being added, then you just take and multiply the insides together and make a single log. Okay, so that's fairly easy. All right, now we're going to do this one. So 2 log x plus 3 log y. And again, it asks us to do it as a single logarithm. Now we can't use the product property until we have ones in front of the logarithms. And right now we have a 2 and a 3. But there's a property of a logarithm, power 1, that allows you to move the power up and down. So we're going to do that first. So we've done that. So now we have a single logarithm, and now we can use the product property. And we're done. See how easy? Especially, you just have to be familiar with them. We use these logarithm properties when we solve equations, and when you look later on, you'll see when we use these properties. All right, and the next one is to ask us to express this as a product. Well, we're just going to use that power property and bring it down, and that is that. And then simplify this. This is an inverse property of logarithms. This is a really important property of logarithms and exponents, and we use this all the time. So this is k raised to the log base k. These two cancel each other out, so we're left with 75. And to go along with that, there's the other way round version of this. Log base 7 of 7 to the t is just t. So basically, exponents kill logarithms, logarithms kill exponents. Make sure and write these down on your card. Make sure you write down the properties of logarithms on your card.